Twerk, twerk.
Jesus, what did I just get myself into?
Teach me.
This is one of my favorite things to do with a single card. It looks absolutely magical. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna walk to a cool spot, you're gonna twist the deck, and you're just gonna vanish the card right from your fingertips. You can blow it, and check this out. You can even wiggle your fingers, and the card is completely gone. And just when they least expect it, it appears right in your mouth. It's a really cool display. You can even do it from this vanish where you rub it away from both of your hands, show both of your hands and even the back, and just out of nowhere, the card pops out from the corner. Looks so beautiful. So this is the move we're gonna learn today. It's pretty dope.
Meatloaf! Come film.
Ooh, we filming?
We're filming. Come on in.
Tutorial?
Yep, tutorial time.
Tutorial to twerk, twerk, twerk.
Jesus, what did I just get myself into?
Teach me.
Oh my god.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Progress.
Progress. Did you see that snapshot? If you guys missed Harry Potter in the last video, snapshot, go learn it. Progress, Corey. Progress report. She just throws it and just don't even care about the catch. Just go away.
Dang it.
Okay, so in this one, guess what you're gonna learn?
Twerking.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, card vanish.
Same thing.
The same thing. You're gonna learn this move right here, how to vanish a card and just show it and produce it.
Wow.
How amazing. I like how you were reacting even though everything in Magic right now, everything you see on the internet is fake. Everything, right?
Yes.
Okay, so take a card and start with me. You're gonna use your left hand or right hand?
I'm right-handed.
Right-handed, so I'm gonna teach it to you guys in your right hand. You're gonna hold the card like so with 3 fingers, the ring finger, the middle finger, and your thumb. Yep, perfect. You're going to face towards the audience so that your palm is facing the lens or the audience. Yep, perfect. You're gonna grab the card with, what is this sign?
Longhorns.
Or rock and roll. Okay, so you're gonna hold the card just like this, in this longhorns position.
Longhorns.
Yep, longhorns. And you're going to curl the 2 fingers, the ring in the middle, inwards. Yep. Perfect, you got it?
Yeah.
Nice. And then you're going to grab the long edges of the card and you're gonna squeeze it. Yep. And squeeze. That's okay, that happens. So curl, grab it, yep, curl it, underneath, yep, perfect.
Okay. Like this?
Like that. Okay, and now you're gonna do this wipe away action.
Wash.
Wash. I think this is called a wash in Magic.
Oh, wash. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Mr. Miyagi. Okay, so you're gonna wipe it away, right? Perfect. And then you're gonna do this subtle convincer, which is one of my favorite things to do. I don't know how to do it with this hand, so I'm gonna switch it over to my dominant hand.
Yeah.
Corey, watch first, and then you're gonna follow along. So this is what it's gonna look like. After you vanish the card, you bring your hand into the pray position, like...
Please God, let's get this bread. I don't know.
What? Please God, let me be a good cardist. Okay, so praying position. You're gonna open your hands. So like this, yep, perfect. And then close it. So you're pivoting around the index and thumb, right? So that's your pivot point. You're gonna do this. You're gonna go down. Perfect, and close your hands. Yep. So the whole sequence is open up, just like this. So it's diamond. I think David Copperfield's Attila, when he's like, Attila, the alien, get him home.
I think also Kanye did this.
Kanye did this?
Yeah.
For what?
Can't remember, I'm not that hip, but...
Good talk. So like this, you're gonna bring it back. Yep. You're gonna show it empty and come back around and come back up. Perfect. And down. And then you're gonna produce the card like this. Watch, this is what's gonna happen. Do you wanna learn the hard version or the easy version?
Easy version.
So the easy version is you're going to, without this cover hand, you're going to uncurl. Or actually, wait, this would be curling or uncurling? This would be curling. So curl your hand in, perfect. And then this hand uses as a cover, so you're grabbing, grab it, and then these fingers come out. Perfect, that's exactly right. But you're gonna do that as you're moving your hands, right? So you're gonna go like that. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
That's the cover action. In Magic, we like to call it the cover action. Without the cover action, you're just doing this. Yeah, perfect. High five, Gypsy.
Thank you.
You're good. So that is the production. Now, so from the beginning, let's see what it looks like.
I'm holding the card, right?
Yep,
And
yep.
I'm going to vanish it like that. And you didn't see any of that. And then wash.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I forgot.
Diamond, out to the,
Diamond.
yep, yep.
Kanye. See, there's nothing. And then, wow, there it is.
Perfect.
Is that good?
That's great.
Okay.
So the whole sequence is vanish, rub away, Kanye, nothing, hello, still nothing, back down and produce. And that is the sequence you just learned.
Cool.
So the second thing you're going to learn is the other vanish we like to call the Tenkai palm vanish. I don't know why it's called the Tenkai. That sounds like something from Dragon Ball Z.
It does.
Right? Tenkai. It sounds like the King Kai.
And he has like sunglasses on.
That's right.
I don't know why, but.
Goku!
Yeah.
Why do you have those?
I don't know, it's in my pocket. Now it's like great timing that we're talking about it.
Does King Kai have glasses?
King Kai, he does, huh?
I'm pretty proud of my King Kai.
Yeah.
That's not bad. Rambling about nothing. Tenkai Vanish coming up. This is what it looks like. You're gonna take the card and, oh, where'd it go? You know, when I was a little kid, we used to be in the magic shop and the magicians would perform this and they would be like, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, look, look, look. And everybody would just turn around and follow it because they thought the card was flying in the room. And then he would come back around, there it goes. And then he would look and everybody would see, obviously, it's in his hand. It's like a funny giveaway, like, it's a silly thing, right? So it's bam. But you can actually do this into a cool thing by, and again, you can also do this with a credit card. So you vanish and bam.
So let me try.
Before we learn, this is the hard version. So as you vanish, you can actually open both your hands like this because I'm balancing it on my body, which is pretty cool. That's the harder version. Yes, that's great. Perfect. But we're gonna learn the easy version for this one. Take a card,
Got it.
2 fingers, index and middle finger like this, and the back of your palms facing the lens, facing the audience, right? So you turn here, and you're going to mimic taking this card away. Now, without the cover hand, you're going to curl your hand in, without a hand, yeah, curl it in, and then your thumb takes over and grabs it. Yeah, but you're gonna do that obviously in this angle, right? So practice in front of a mirror. Perfect, now your card is gone. At this point, well, you're done. The card's gone.
It's gone.
Well, how do you bring it back?
Wish for it back.
You just reverse the hand action, right? So you 2 fingers, and you're going to reach inside, index finger pops in here, middle finger on the outside of it, and you're just going to pop it out like that. Yeah, bam.
Bam.
That's how you produce the card back. So the vanish, and just like that.
Huh.
Pretty cool, right?
That's cool.
Again, you can do this with a credit card. I don't know why that's so important to me because I do this with a credit card sometimes. It's pretty cool. Hey, Corey.
Yes.
You want to learn the whole sequence?
Please.
All right, this is the whole routine. So you take it, you vanish it away, you Kanye, you come back around, look, it's still gone, produce it, and then look at this.
Ooh. I like that last part.
Yeah, the mouth
I
production?
didn't get to do that.
No, so that's after the Tenkai vanish. Yeah, and then you come back around with your thumb, you bring it up, and yeah, look at that. That's cool, right?
It's pretty cool.
I love that move. It just comes out of nowhere.
It's magical, but I'm not doing anything. I'm just
Yeah,
like,
it fools you, like, as you're doing it, you're like, where did that come from? It looks cool. You want to learn that, the whole routine?
yeah, let's do it.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
So, again, your rock position, right? Then you're going to just wipe away, just, you don't need it. Perfect. Yes, fix it, adjust it, yep. Yep. Okay, good. And now you do the, yeah. Yeah, perfect. Produce it, ha. Good, and now we turn the other way around, we take the card, we do our King Kai vanish. Good, you got it? Then you grab it again, grab the card with your thumb, and yeah, that's good. She's doing something really good, which I didn't even have to explain, yeah, because when you usually produce the card and you put it in your mouth, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go like that, which is not what you wanna do. You wanna do this. Look at the difference. You're gonna take the card and, you see that?
Oh, was that what I was doing?
Yeah, you bite down on the card because then it pops it down like this, rather than looking like this, because then they can't see anything, right?
Yeah.
So this is good. You want to go here, just like that. Yeah, exactly. Not chin down. You just want to. Yeah. So from here. And
Very Shimlin of you.
very Shin Lim of me. I think I just need to do that one thing though.
Yeah.
I need more hair.
It's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go practice this. Like,
Go practice. So one more time with you guys, I'm gonna recap. This is the whole routine because I know I glossed over it real quick. I'm gonna show you the harder version, which I think is the prettier version of the whole routine, so you can practice this. So take a card, you vanish it, right? You wipe, you show Kanye, you vanish, oh, still gone, come back around, and this is the production that I didn't teach Corey, which is with one like this. I don't know why I said one. It's kind of, the card pops out on one of the corners like this, and it pops out in such a magical way where it's like, it's just at the tips of your fingertips, and it's like how is that possible, right? Because the classic version I taught Corey was just kind of like this, which doesn't look as pretty. So with one hand, you're just gonna do this. Without the cover, look, your fingers curl in, and your middle finger goes in here, and it pops the card out. So one more time. It curls in, middle finger goes in there, and pops it out. You know it's gonna be done right when you pop the card out, it creates this 90-degree angle with your index and middle, and the card is sticking up perfectly. If it comes out like this, it's not quite the best way to do it, but that's how you know you're doing it right. Without the cover hand, that's what it looks like. So just practice that. It's basically your middle finger just popping that card out, and you'll hear this little snap, if you will. So after you produce this, you come around this way, and you angle the card like this, the starting position of the Tenkai, the King Kai vanish, and you pretend to grab the card as you curl in, boom, here, hold it there for a second. As you're holding it there, you're gonna do the subtlety that I also did not show Corey, is you're going to put it against your body like this, and that allows you to open up with your thumb, which looks super natural, which is like, if there's any doubt that you were hiding the card, right? There's no doubt, because the thumb is now up, and you can open this hand cleanly, and you can even wiggle the fingers, which looks super impossible. At this point, you re-grip the card. I keep exposing it like this. Re-grip the card, and with the hand still angled towards the audience, you bring it up to your mouth, and wipe away. And that's the entire sequence. So I'll show you the sequence at speed, which, by the way, quick tip, when you're doing these vanishes, you don't want to hold your hands like this as much as you can. Like, for example, when you do the Tenkai, you don't want to do this. A lot of people who are starting to learn, they'll be like robotic, right? But that's not how we operate. We're not like, hey, which way is the street? You know, we're relaxed, where our fingers are moving with spirit fingers, right? You're going to vanish the card like that and keep it loose and natural. So the whole sequence is take a card, you vanish away, boom, show it empty, reproduce it, come back around, vanish, and in the mouth. And that's just this beautiful, fun sequence. So, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's one of my favorite things to do with a single card. Of course, snapshot is also, and a few more things I'm gonna show you in the future. Oh, hey you. What you
Doing the prayer.
Yeah. Look at that, this guy got it. If this thing can do it, so can you.
Yeah.
This is a Russian meme, by the way. He's called Zhdun, which is in English waiter. Not like waiter that serves you things, but like waiting. You're waiting for something. He's just perpetually waiting for anything, for things to happen. Zhdun.
Cut the video.
Yeah, let's cut it. No, I need every minute from YouTube I can get at this point.
Thanks for watching the video. Please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. You'll suck with money less, and you'll learn a card trick or two along the way. Thank you.
Yeah, and then
I
produce it.
I just forget.
Oh, that's so funny. I just forget.